Please stand for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Hogs. Today is September 24th. I'm Adeline, and these are your morning announcements. Tickets for the homecoming dance are now on sale for only $55 with an ASB pass or $65 without one. But don't delay, those prices will go up starting tomorrow. The dance will be held in the LHHS parking lot on Saturday, October 5th from 7 to 10 p.m. Be sure to purchase your tickets today, and don't forget to upload your HOCO proposals to the LHHS Proposals Instagram account for a chance to win free tickets. The Red Cross Club is hosting their 2024 Fall Blood Drive on Tuesday, October 8th. Students can sign up tomorrow during Snack Outside or the student store. You must be 16 or older to donate, and all donors will receive 3 service hours and a free t-shirt and other appreciation goodies. So sign up today and help save lives. All throughout the months of October and November, the LHHS school counselors will be hosting workshop Wednesdays during tutorial and the Career Center. Seniors can work on the college applications, financial aid applications, and receive support from the LHHS school counselors as necessary. So stop on by and take advantage of this wonderful resource. The CVUSD Kids Factory is looking to hire fun, energetic, and responsible staff members for after-school programs at various elementary schools throughout the cities of Mission Viejo and Lake Forest. Recreation leaders are responsible for supervising and leading activities including crafts, arts, projects, group games, and sports. If interested, visit svusd.org or follow the link in our description below. The registration deadline for this year's DELA exam is Wednesday, October 2nd. Purchase your exam today by visiting the Hawk web store or the student store during snack or lunch. Exams are $81, but if you think you may qualify for a reduced price, please see Ms. Lee in the guidance office. For any questions, please contact Ingrid Anderson at the SVUSD Language Acquisition Office. Today, representatives from the University of Arkansas will be on campus to meet with any interested students. And tomorrow, students can meet with representatives from Cal Lutheran University. All college meetings will take place during tutorial in the Career Center, directly across from the counseling office. For a complete list of all upcoming college visits, please visit the college representatives linked in our LHHS counseling webpage or follow the link in our description below. Now let's send it out to Alina for this last week's tailgate.
What's up, Hawks? I'm here at the tailgate to ask you guys some questions, so let's go. Toilet paper, under or over?
Under.
Ew, what?
Under what?
Do you,
I wipe from under.
I'm here with Harrison and Matthew. Guys, socks to bed or no socks to bed?
When it's winter, socks to bed. When it's summer, no socks to bed.
Socks to bed always. I hate the texture of my blanket. I don't know. I just don't like it on my toes. No, socks to bed all the time. All days.
He likes socks.
I'm here with Blake. Okay, Blake, is hot dog a sandwich or a taco?
It's neither.
So what is it?
Nothing. It's just a hot dog. It's in its own category.
I'm here with Aiden. Okay, Aiden. Do you put your milk in first or your milk in last when you have cereal?
I'm gonna be honest, people don't like to hear this, but I don't like cereal with milk. I like to eat my whole grain Cheerios by themselves, so I'm a no milk person. Thank you though.
Yeah. What color is math?
Red, obviously.
Yeah, red or pink?
Red. Oh wait. No.
Red. wait.
Red. Blue. No, pink. red.
Blue. Red or green?
No, guys. Okay, hold on. Let me explain. In elementary school, my 6th grade teacher, Mrs. Fung, made math green.
I'm here with Leilani, Eden, and Chloe. Okay, guys, really important question. I had some people answer it wrongly.
He likes socks.
But that's in my opinion. Socks to bed or no socks to bed?
No socks to bed. Oh my gosh.
I wear socks to bed. Sorry.
You didn't know. That's a no.
I'll take off my socks if it's too hot, but I feel like I like to be warm. I don't know. Oh, I like to be warm. I don't know.
let's send it out to Lucas for sports.
Thank you, Adeline. If any girls are interested in playing basketball, tryouts will be held this Thursday in the main gym starting at 4 p.m. Later today, the girls' tennis team will host Garden Grove with matches scheduled for 3 p.m. And after the girls sweep their opponents 6-0, 6-0, swim on over to the pool where the boys' water polo team will host Valencia High School starting at 4:30. We hope to see you there. Then tomorrow, the girls' golf team will travel to Oso Creek Golf Course to take on Kennedy High School starting at 3:20. Also tomorrow, the flag football team will travel to Segerstrom High School in Santa Ana to take on the Jaguars starting at 4:30. And the boys and girls cross-country teams will take part in the Golden Empire Cluster at the Huntington Beach Central Park with races scheduled for 2:30. But if you'd rather stay closer to home, the girls volleyball team will host Calvary Chapel starting at 5:45. We hope to see you there, and now let's send it back to Adeline.
Thank you, Lucas. Thank you for watching HNN. Make sure to follow our Instagram, Laguna Hills Film, and as always, go Hawks.